Working 80 hours a week won't make you rich. And if you're grinding harder but your bank account isn't growing, you need to hear this. Because the problem isn't your work ethic, it's your system. Look, I respect the hustle. I really do. But here's what nobody tells you about hard work. It has a ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day. Only so much energy in your body. Only so many years before burnout catches up. And the harsh truth, you can hustle yourself into exhaustion and still be broke. Because effort without strategy is just expensive over time. Let me paint a picture. You wake up at 5 a.m. You work your 9 to 5. Then you come home and work your side hustle until midnight. You sacrifice weekends. You skip time with family. You tell yourself, just a little longer, just a little harder. But then you check your bank account, and there's barely more than last month. Maybe even less after bills, rent, groceries, gas. The math doesn't add up. Here's why. You're trading hours for dollars. 1 hour of work equals 1 payment. Stop working, the money stops. Get sick, the money stops. Want a vacation? The money stops. You built a treadmill, not a system. And treadmills don't take you anywhere. It's just burn you out. Now compare that to someone who builds systems. What's a system? It's anything that generates income without requiring your direct time. Investments that grow while you sleep. Rental properties that pay you monthly. Digital products that sell on autopilot. Businesses with employees who run operations while you focus on strategy. Rich people aren't working 80-hour weeks. They worked hard to build systems, and now those systems work for them. That's the difference. They're optimizing leverage, not effort. And here's the kicker. Once you have systems in place, your income isn't capped by your hours anymore. You can earn money while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping, while you're spending time with your kids. So what does this actually look like? Let's get specific. Example 1. Automated investing. Set up a brokerage account. Automate contributions from every paycheck. Buy index funds or ETFs. Over time, compound interest is the heavy lifting. You're building wealth while doing nothing. Example 2. Create a digital product. Write an ebook. Build a course. Design templates. Sell them online. You create it once, and it can generate income for years. Example 3. Invest in assets. Real estate. Dividend stocks. Businesses. Things that pay you just for owning them. None of these require you to trade time for money. That's the power of systems. They multiply your effort instead of consuming it. Now, I'm not saying don't work hard. I'm saying work smart. Use your hard work to build systems, not just to survive another week. Because here's the reality. If you're still broke, after years of grinding, the problem isn't that you're lazy. It's that you're running the wrong race. You're optimizing for effort when you should be optimizing for systems. Hard work without a system is just slow burnout. But hard work with a system, that's how wealth actually gets built. So here is my challenge for you. What is one money system you're going to build this year? Not another side hustle, not another 12-hour shift. A real system that works without you. Drop it in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I'll break in one wealth principle every week. My system for this year. Automated dividend investing. What's yours?